A warm welcome back to my channel, guys. I'll show you how this went from this to that. Okay, welcome to this channel. I'll tell you a quick short story. So me, I was in my house cracking nuts, right? And my family wanted to take a trip to the giant Causeway. They asked me to come. I used the excuse of trying to crack my nuts not to go, you know. And they dared me. They said there's lots of stones in the giant Causeway. And guys, guess what? I dared myself, took the nuts, got into the car, and I cracked them in the giant Causeway. Yeah, I did it. I did it. But guess what? I packed everything and I came back home and continued cracking the nuts. Welcome back to my channel. It's called Food to Relish, where we love to relish our meals, enjoy them to our satisfaction, you know, no matter how little or how simple, we just love to relish the meals. Okay, so there you go. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like and share. So I'll also be showing towards the end of the video how I drank garri with these nuts. Yep. Many thanks to my grandma who helped me cracking the nuts, madala. So if you haven't seen our video on ofaku, please go and see it. It's on this channel, how to cook ofaku. So basically it's going to take you through the steps of getting the nuts out of the palm, you know, extracting the nuts from the palm fruits itself. Okay, so this is just a clip of that video. And let's go to the giant Causeway now, guys. The drive alone is scenic. It took me about an hour from my house to get to that place, and it was quite relaxing. If you love relaxing videos, then I think you should come with me on this journey to the giant Causeway. It is quite scenic, guys. It is just scenic. Beautiful. This place actually was where some of the scenes of the Game of Thrones were acted. Yeah, for the lovers of Game of Thrones. It's just absolutely beautiful. Let's go and crack some nuts. Let's go and crack some nuts. Down there. That's where I'm gonna go. Watch me. So, it's yaki behind a member on Obudo. Mobina Obudo, Christmas, Monai for grandma, grandpa. I need yaki makakina, dene benine, and a member. So, sorry for the switch. What I've just said is we love to crack nuts in the village because there's lots and lots of nuts. So, it's something that we would love to do, like whenever we went to the village as kids. And I kind of love the memory, you know. So, cracking nuts for me as well is relaxing. Okay, I'm going to tell you a short story as well just about the giant Causeway. If you're living in the UK and you haven't been to this place, I honestly don't understand you. Like, I don't know what you're waiting for. I mean, it's so beautiful and only a visit will convince you, guys. Get on a flight, come to Northern Ireland and see this beautiful place. It's just a wonder. I mean, it's the 4th greatest natural wonder in the UK. Can you believe this? This according to Wikipedia, yeah? And you know the best part? You don't have to pay to get in. I mean, isn't it amazing? Do you know that just in 2019, nearly 1 million people visited the giant Causeway? Yeah. And all thanks to COVID, that's probably why the visit has reduced. But like, it's really well visited and it's beautiful. Back to the house, I continue to crack my nuts, guys. Tell me how you love to enjoy your garri, because today I'm going to show us how I enjoy my garri with the nuts. Look at what they look like. Okay, so after I crack everything, what I'll simply do is just to empty it into a bowl and wash it, and that's it. I mean, that's it. How easy. So I'm just washing it with hot water because, you know, there's been a lot of playing around the sand and things, so I'm washing it with some salt and hot water. And if you don't have these, guys, I mean, if you're not in Nigeria and you really need to drink your garri with some nuts of some sort, then coconut is your best bet. Yeah. So what I do is to get my Ijebu garri. Me, I like the Ijebu brand when I'm drinking garri. Okay, I empty it into my plate and with very chilled water I decant the top. Okay, so I just give it a stir and I decant the top just to remove the chaff and the particles in it. So what I've done to this garri that I forgot to mention, sometimes what I do to the garri, but I haven't done it to this one, is that I fry it, okay, just to get it clean. You know, I fry it and then I let it cool before I start drinking it. But this one was sealed, so I'm just drinking it like that. Add some sugar or honey if you like. I've never used honey, but I'm using sugar because me, I like enjoyment, and I'm using a generous quantity of milk. I add some more cold water, and guys, it is already looking promising, and it is very, very delicious in my mouth. Okay, let's see what it tastes like. Fantastic, like absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and share. And I thank you so much for all your subscriptions so far. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.